how to add page to quick access on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add page to quick access on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and now click go to any page you want, like this one, and then click this one here, these three lines, and then just click add page and click quick access, and here page have been added to quick access here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.